Hello, welcome to another Busy Bee video. For this video you are going to need cotton yarn, a crochet hook. I'm using a 5.5 millimeter hook, and you are going to need a stitch marker, or I will be using this paper clip. First we are going to make a slip knot. And then we are going to chain 2. Then we are going to make single crochet in the first chain. And place our stitch marker in the first single crochet. Then we are going to make 5 more single crochets into this first chain. So you will have in the end total of 6 single crochets. Then we are going to remove our stitch marker and make 2 single crochets into each of these 6 stitches. So into each of these 6 stitches we are going to make 2 single crochets, and in the end we are going to have total of 12 single crochets. And of course you are going to place your stitch marker in the first single crochet. We are going to remove our stitch marker, and then we are going to do 1 single crochet into the first stitch and 2 single crochets into the next stitch. So just repeat this 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets for the whole row. For the next row, we are going to again remove our stitch marker and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, put our stitch marker, then again 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the third we are going to make 2 single crochets, and you are going to repeat this 1 1 2 for the whole round. For the next round, we are going to again remove our stitch marker and make 2 single crochets in the first loop and place our stitch marker in the first single crochet. So this is first, and this is second single crochet in the first stitch, and then we are going to do 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and just repeat these 2 1 1 1 for the whole row. For the last round, we are going to remove our stitch marker and make 1 single crochet in the first 4 stitches, and then in the 5th we are going to make 2 single crochet and just repeat this step until you reach the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 3 chains. Then we are going to chain 1 and leave a little piece of the yarn and cut the extra. Then we are going to cut approximately 12 centimeters of yarn for these fringe pieces. So to make a fringe, you are going to pull your hook through this back side of a coaster. Then you are going to put this piece of yarn, pull it through, and yarn over and pull through. And you are going to repeat the process for the whole coaster. So into each of these back loops, you are going to pull your crochet hook, put a piece of yarn, and just yarn over and make these fringes. And here comes the styling. So I first cut the extra pieces, and then I'm going to take my hairbrush and brush these fringes, and in the end I'm going to again cut it. our coaster is finished. You can see its real size. Mine is 14 centimeters and this middle part is 8 centimeters. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!